Hey everyone, today we're diving into the much-awaited iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. With new features, upgraded hardware, and Apple's promise of cutting-edge AI, there's a lot to unpack. So let's get started. First things first, the design. The iPhone 16 Pro sports a sleek titanium build, larger screens and thinner bezels. It feels premium in hand, but if you're hoping for flashy color options, well, Apple stuck with more neutral tones this time. Now the big story here is the camera. Apple's introduced 4K slow-motion video at 120 frames per second. If you're into capturing smooth, high-quality video, this is a game changer. But it's not just about the slow-mo. The 16 Pro has 3 upgraded cameras, including a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and improved image quality across the board. Your everyday shots are going to look more vibrant, detailed, and dynamic. On the AI side, Apple's been teasing Apple Intelligence, their take on generative AI. But here's the catch. It's not fully ready yet. You'll get a preview of it with iOS 18.1 in October. So if you're buying the 16 Pro just for the AI features, you might want to hold off until they're fully rolled out. But I did test out a few AI tools, like the Summarize feature, which condenses news articles, super handy for avoiding clickbait. And there's the Cleanup tool in Photos, which lets you remove unwanted objects from your pictures with just a tap. Another cool addition, the new Camera Control button. It's a shortcut key for the camera. Great for opening the app, snapping a photo, or zooming with just a swipe. And of course, iOS 18 is a big part of this phone. It lets you personalize your iPhone like never before. Move apps anywhere, change icon colors, and customize Control Center. It's all about making your phone fit your style. Under the hood, we've got the A18 Pro chip, making everything super responsive. And battery life, pretty solid. It'll get you through a full day of use, even with heavy camera work. So, should you upgrade? If you've got an iPhone 12 Pro or older, the iPhone 16 Pro is a great move. But if you're rocking a 13 or 14 Pro, it's probably not worth the splurge just yet, especially since AI isn't fully live. Also, note that the base model comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, which, let's be real, should have been more at this price. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are packed with improvements, from camera to battery to design. It's a solid upgrade. Just don't buy it solely for the AI, at least not yet. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about.